Getting started with voice AI is super easy. Let's go to the Agents tab and create our first calling agent. We'll use the blank template because we want to do it right from grounds up. Let's call it a test agent for GRX10 support. So we want anybody to call this number or to get a call and get information about GRX10. We'll click on create agent. Then we'll come to the first tab called prompt. Here we'll provide knowledge bases in the form of documents, PDFs, etc. or URLs to crawl to get information about the topic. So in this case, we'll provide it the website for GRX10 and we'll begin crawling and extracting information from there. We'll provide it some guardrails, so we don't want it to talk about pricing. We do not want it to talk about legal topics. Maybe those are the only two guardrails we provide. In addition, we provide a simple one-liner about what the bot should do. So here we're going to say support queries about GRX10 instructions or services rather. Then we proceed to select the voice. We have pre-configured voices, so you do not need to bring in any third-party application for voice configuration. We have voices in Indian accents, American, British, Australian, Arabic, and Singaporean. Here we'll select the first choice that we have for the Indian accent. Then we go into tuning parameters for the bot in terms of how it should behave. These are some advanced parameters. We would suggest using the defaults in case you have not had experience with these parameters before. We will select high accuracy transcription, which will also provide, in addition to the live transcription, much better transcription, more accurate in terms of what the conversation was. Then we go into the final screen to review the prompt. This is a fully assembled prompt generated by AI using the parameters we have provided. So it has instructions apart from what you've seen, which is like multilingual, how the conversation should flow, how we should handle numbers. Typically use instructions for any call center or any support center behavior. And as we scroll down, we'll be able to see information extracted from the website already placed here. So it starts from here in the knowledge base section. We are able to see the crawled information from the website present here. In addition, we are able to also, if we scroll down, we'll be able to see topics that we should not talk about. And if you want to edit this final prompt as an advanced user, we can edit this to change the behavior of the prompt. I'm pretty satisfied with this prompt right now. So I'm going to lock and approve it, which will trigger a safety audit just to ensure that there is no dangerous instructions in the form of violence or sexually explicit instructions. And it should quickly do an AI audit in terms of safety. It has passed the safety audit, so it's got locked. Next, we can put in a number for us to get a call and test the behavior of this bot. So I'll put in my cell phone number and hopefully I will get a call very soon. Yeah, so I'm getting a call. Let me answer it.
Hello, this is Arpita from GRX10. How can I help you today?
Hi Arpita, can you speak to me in Hindi please?
हाँ बिल्कुल, मैं हिंदी में बात कर सकती हूँ. बताइए, मैं आपकी क्या मदद कर सकती हूँ?
GRX10 के बारे में मुझे बताइए.
GRX10 जो है ना, वो क्लीन एनर्जी, ई-कॉमर्स, इंडस्ट्रियल और एंटरप्राइज टेक सेक्टर्स में रेवेन्यू सिस्टम्स बनाने में मदद करती है.
मेरे को अब tell me this in English please.
Sure, no problem. So GRX10, right?
So as you can see, the bot performs quite well right from the beginning. And if you want to tune it further, you can tune the assembled prompt. In addition to that, we can go to the calling history and we'll be able to see all of our answered calls here. Then the next tab is the billings tab, where we're able to see all the expenses that we have incurred in terms of calling. And once we are out of credits, we can add credits by clicking add credits, and this will take us to the payment gateway. We can peruse other plans which are available if you want to upgrade. In the settings tab, we are able to change passwords. We're able to add approved phone numbers, especially for the starter tier. We're able to get API keys, and we're able to bring in our own telephone lines if you want outbound call activity to happen. Very importantly, this button called campaigns allows us to create a cron job or a set job for us to make phone calls to a set of customers in an Excel sheet. So let's say we want to make phone calls to a bunch of customers. We will select the agent which we want to use. We can select the trunk. We are using our own trunk line right now. And we will upload a test CSV. So I've already saved a test CSV, which looks like this. Is simply a 2-column CSV with first column title number and 2 numbers added here. Let us upload the CSV. So it's extracted 2 phone numbers from the CSV files. we will use these two numbers and we'll create a job. Once we've created a job, we can action by clicking on start job. That's all.